Kind of my type.
Huh?
You're kind of my type. I love you.
You're so cute.
Yeah. I saw you back there, right? I just want to say you're so gorgeous.
Thank you.
What's your name?
Thank you. Sydney.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. What is your name?
I'm Shiv. Shiv? S-H-I-V, yeah.
Yeah.
Where are you from?
I live in Glendale,
Okay.
but I was in the area, so I decided to come here.
Okay, I got you. Are you like Latino or?
Yeah.
Okay. You're kind of my type.
Huh?
You're kind of my type. I love you.
You're so cute.
Yeah. Can I grab your Instagram?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
You're so cute with that.
Or actually, give me your number.
Okay. What are you up to today?
I'm with my friend right now, and he was like, "That's your type, so you have to go up." Looks like your future wife. So I'm gonna put in one more time your name.
Sydney.
Sydney.
S-Y-D-N-E-Y.
Okay, I like the and then future wife.
You're a trend.
Okay. All right. Love you. Bye. I'm gonna text you. We have to go on a date.
Okay.
Okay.
Just let me know.
Bye.